Hi, this is Mike from Mike Hunt, Gundog Supplies. I want to show you our new bird launcher that we've just developed. Unique, all made in South Africa. Local electronics that works up to 100 meters away. Very reliable. The bird launcher has a mat that allows the flow of air to go through, the scent of the bird to go through. A denim cushion pad so that the bird doesn't get caught into it. Another unique feature is the back door for easy loading of the birds and unloading of the birds without hurting them. What I'm going to try to demonstrate now is how we load the bird, and the safety feature, which is over here, where it stays locked until you take it to the veld or hide it, and then you can arm it. You arm it onto this, and the trigger mechanism will launch it automatically remotely. Okay, let's load the bird. Closing the trap, the launcher, putting it onto safety. Another unique feature is the strong springs that we use that will launch the bird at least 2 meters into the sky. The bird can then walk in comfortably without any stress. Close the back door. And as you can see, the launcher will not launch without me arming it. Now I can take it, hide it in good cover. The bright colors, if you see these colors, you know you haven't camouflaged your launcher properly. So you must camouflage it nicely so your dog can get the scent and not the visual. Shucks! Steady, steady, steady. Good boy. Steady. Good boy.